today I'm gonna get these welded up, hopefully. So I got them lined up with some magnets. I'm gonna tack them on the inside, and then I'm gonna weld around the bead. Alright, now let's do one in between. Now let's flip it all the way around, do the other in between. Now I'm going to let this one cool, and then I'll come back and I'll do the same thing to fill those beads together. While that first one cools, I'll go ahead and get the second one up to that one's caught up. Alright, now we're going to let this one cool. This one's fairly cool already. So now we're going to go back and we'll fill in these gaps. Alright, there we go. Last weld welded. Now the next thing, I'm gonna let them cool. And then I'll come back and I'm gonna weld along the inside here. Because this is where the bead is, so I have to grind it smooth. So I'm gonna put a bead on the inside as well. All right, now I'm gonna let it all cool and then I'm gonna do the other inside wheel. All right, now that I got those lips welded on there, the next thing that I'm gonna wanna do is smooth this out. All right, now I've got both wheels welded up. The rings are all welded on, sanded smooth, same on the inside. And then I also welded in my 3-lug center. The next thing I want to do is drill those holes. This one's still very hot from welding that. I can feel the heat radiating off of it. I'm gonna try and do this one. All right, so now they're all welded together. Got the new lug holes drilled through the old wheels. Tomorrow or next time I work on these, I'm going to end up deburring these holes with a countersink and then grinding these, prep for paint. Yes. See you next time.